Have you ever wondered what it would be like to stand face to face with the king of the jungle? The lion, a creature of incredible power and majesty, once roamed freely across vast territories. But today, the story of the lion is no longer one of untamed freedom. It's a tale of survival in a world that has changed dramatically. What happened to the lion we once knew? And what's next for this iconic species? Hey everyone, today, we're diving deep into the story of the lion, an animal that's long symbolized strength, courage, and royalty. From its early days as a roaming predator to its domestication and the challenges it faces today, the lion's journey is as complicated as it is fascinating. Stick around, because we've got some surprising facts and a sobering reality to uncover.
Kings of the Savanna, an evolutionary tale. The lion, Panthera leo, a majestic creature with a flowing mane and a thunderous roar, commands respect and awe. An iconic symbol of strength, power, and wilderness, the lion's presence is felt across the vast African plains. But where did this magnificent animal come from? How did it become the king of the savanna?
Their story begins millions of years ago, an epic tale etched in the fossil record, revealing their ancient origins. Lions evolved in Africa, their ancestors roaming the savannas long before our own species appeared, adapting to the changing landscapes. Over time, these ancient cats developed the traits we associate with lions today, such as their powerful build and social behavior. Powerful limbs for chasing prey, sharp claws for bringing down their quarry, and a social structure that allows for cooperative hunting all contributed to their success.
These adaptations made them incredibly successful predators, shaping the African landscape for millennia, influencing the balance of the ecosystem. The lion's journey is one of adaptation and survival, a testament to their resilience and strength. They weathered changes in climate, competed with other formidable predators, and emerged as the kings and queens of their domain, ruling with unmatched prowess.
Their story is a testament to the power of natural selection, shaping a creature perfectly adapted to its environment, a marvel of evolution. But their reign, like all in nature, faces new challenges in a world increasingly dominated by humankind, where their survival depends on our actions.
Apex predators, shaping ecosystems for millennia. Lions, as apex predators, play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. Their presence is a testament to the health of the environment they inhabit. They sit atop the food chain, their presence influencing the behavior and abundance of other species. This top-down regulation is essential for the stability of the ecosystem. This ripple effect is profound, shaping the very fabric of the African savanna. The landscape itself is molded by the activities of these majestic creatures.
Their primary prey consists of herbivores like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. These hunts are not just about survival, but also about maintaining ecological balance. By keeping these populations in check, lions prevent overgrazing, which can lead to habitat degradation and loss of biodiversity. This control is vital for the health of the savanna. This intricate web of life is a delicate dance, with lions playing a crucial role in its choreography. Every move they make has a significant impact on the environment.
Lions are also social animals, living in groups called prides. These social structures are complex and contribute to their success as apex predators. This social structure brings further balance to the ecosystem. Prides have defined territories, which they defend from rivals. This territorial behavior ensures resource distribution. This territoriality prevents overhunting in specific areas, ensuring the long-term health of prey populations and the stability of the ecosystem as a whole. It is a natural form of population control.
The lion's roar, a sound that echoes across the savanna, is not just a call to its pride, but a declaration of its vital role in maintaining the intricate web of life. It is a reminder of their power and importance.
Lions and humanity, a complex relationship through time. The relationship between humans and lions has been complex and multifaceted for millennia. Early humans coexisted with lions, recognizing their power and ferocity. Cave paintings, dating back thousands of years, depict these majestic creatures, showcasing their importance in the lives and imaginations of our ancestors.
lions became symbols of strength, courage, and royalty in many cultures. They were incorporated into mythology, folklore, and religious beliefs. From the Sphinx of ancient Egypt to the lion as a symbol of various royal houses, their image conveyed power and authority.
However, this reverence was often intertwined with fear and exploitation. Lion hunting became a test of bravery and a source of prestige in some cultures. Their body parts were used in traditional medicine and as decorative objects.